PK, I'm from the United States.
I'm Sabrina from Hong Kong. I'm Yumi from Hong Kong.
And I'm Alec from the United States.
And we're a food truck. Food truck is a mobile application that allows people to track their favorite food trucks across the city of Boston thanks to our geo-tracking technology.
There are currently some restrictions on food trucks, mainly being that they are not able to go wherever they need to because of the government restrictions already placed on them. But because the food truck industry is really trendy and the growth of food truck is on the rise, the Boston government is looking to alleviate these restrictions.
So here we have a prototype. Here's a location service. We can see both the platform for the consumers and the food truck companies. For the consumers, we will have Google Maps API. They can locate their favorite food trucks. So let's say here it's selected Clover Food Lab. They can have their directions, and thanks to our social GPS, users who went there recently can just put how much time did it take to get their food. So people are aware of how much time it will take to eat their lunch. On our right side, we can have the food truck platform, so they can locate where the masses, where the consumers, where the users are located in Boston. So it works the same system. They will have Google Maps API, and this will help us to change their locations and move where the people are.
So our business has four value propositions. The first one, the mobile payment, where the customers are able to order through our mobile app. And then the second one, we offer the most personal assistance to our food truck owners. We hope that by doing so, they are able to use our app for a long time as a platform to gain popularity. The third one, the reward system. If a customer purchases a certain meal in the same food truck for a conservative amount of days, they were able to get rewards like a discount for the next purchase and a free meal. And for convenience, here we offer a prototype. First, we have the Clover. If you want to eat at Clover, we have a Clover menu, and then it will show you the cost, the menu, and then the discount. Third, when it shows the info, it will give you the exact location and a small introduction of Clover. It will also give you the methods of payment and the working hours. Last but not least, we also have the reviews. Customers are able to post comments on the app, and then they're able to share opinions. So what makes us different? We offer a variety of free services. We offer them data like working hours, cost, discounts, which is completely free for freemium users. We also offer a social network between users in which that customers are able to exchange opinions about the food trucks that they go to.
So for our revenue stream, we have 4 different sources of income. The first one is our mobile payment. Users for free can access to their menu, as Yumi said, and they can select the meals they want, and they can just order it through the app by different methods of payment, Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal, and they can just order directly from there, and we will charge a 2.5% for the service fee, so the total cost plus a 2.5%. Another is our premium account for the users who constantly use our app. They will make the decision if they prefer to pay $3.99 per month service, so they will have free of charge service fee, or they can just keep doing the mobile payment and the basic membership program. Another source of income is our monthly membership for food truck companies. So food truck companies will pay for our service, so we'll put all of their data, we'll put all of their new updates, or new prices, or new meals, or new locations in our app, and this will cost them an amount of money for each month. And last but not least, we have our reward system. So this will generate, so when they select the mobile payment, we have here, and then on the right side, we have the coupons. So it's a QR generator code. So when the person goes to the food truck and shows this QR code to the vendors, they just scan it and they have their discount. So what is the main reason why we want this QR code? This helps us know whether our service is useful or not, because this will give us the data if we know they used our coupons.
As for our pricing strategy, we will be mainly focusing on our real customers, which are the food truck vendors. As we see them as our potential investors, we will be approaching them, pitching pitching our ideas to them. But there's a question, how? How are we going to prove to them that this is going to be a worthy investment? So, as a company, we will be approaching them, showing them a prototype, letting them know all kind of things that they could do with our app and all kind of information they can put in an app that people can easily obtain through App Store or through Google Play. And if they are satisfied with this, we will be keeping in constant communication through face-to-face meetings and emails in order to keep our users satisfied with constant updates of information. So, may I have a show of hands of people who enjoy using free services? Exactly. That's Food Track as an application provide premium services for users as they will be granted instant access to every aspect of our application after downloading the app. But that's not all of it. We also provide premium services for those who are willing to pay $3.99 per month to eliminate the service charge. And they will also be able to instantly pre-order meal and arrange pickup through our systems.
For our go-to marketing plan, we're going to focus on 3 major social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Through Facebook, we'll mostly have information on us as a company and other food trucks. Instagram will show pictures of food and show their quality. Twitter will have recent updates of trucks and one-day movies. For each food truck, we're gonna allow them to have 1 month free trial of our premium service, so they can try it out, see if they like it. We're also gonna partner up with Level Up, which will allow us to install the mobile payment system into our app. We would like to attend food festivals, which will allow us to connect not only the food truck, but our users as well. We can also partner up with Clover to use some certain challenges. On the left side, you can see this is an example of these challenges. So Clover has a new quinoa wrap. Through this, this will allow the user to be able to leave reviews, act like a judging panel, and they can decide what they want to add or take out. On the right side, we have an example of how we can use this app to help charity. Clover right now has a charity event where they generate revenue and then feed meals to the homeless. So what we can do through our app is have our users pay through our app, so we can then give the funds to them, which will then gain social awareness not only for them but also to them as well.
So being a startup company, we will have some issues arise. One being that, we're a startup company, so it'll be hard to gain exposure ourselves. We will use the loyalty program to work with our food trucks so we can help each other gain exposure through our app and through their already established community. This industry has many different opportunities. One being that the greater Boston area has a large customer segment for our college students. College students love eating trendy new food. They like to experience different cultures, and food trucks is the perfect place because it's also economical. Another one is the nationwide. Another opportunity is the nationwide revenue. We think that once we do beta in Boston, we expand further out more, it could really help because there's $857 million in revenue in 2014. Every year there's about a 9% increase of sales revenue, and in 2017, the industry is supposed to reach over $1 billion. So here are our financial calculations. As you see, we talked about earlier, $3.99 for a premium user. For premium food trucks, we have not decided a set price yet because we want to validate our application first and prove to the food trucks that our application is worth. And we will be doing that by doing a 1-month trial program. Our expenses will only include marketing and having a mobile app developer. So, for example, how would our app help a food truck company? Let's take Kogi Food Truck for example. They sell about an average 150 meals per day, and it costs $7. That gives you about an average revenue of $380,000 per year. Now, if our app is able to help create 25% of that, that's $95,000 we can add on to their sales revenue.
So for future expansion, we're planning to expand this program service to different destinations nationwide. So we have, for example, LA, San Diego, we have Portland, we have Washington, D.C. These are all big cities that have where the food truck business is growing. It's a major growth in food truck business. So we're trying to expand this once we know that Boston is a successful market. So these are co-founders, these are us, there's Alex, thanks for everything. And here's our contact information. And well, here's our webpage. And thank you very much, and we're pleased to hear your questions.